Hello Pajero. This my new skid plate. It is from the Titan Performance, but I took it from the aftermarket. And it is 10 a.m. It's gonna be fitted directly to the body. Actually, it's not required the bracket. You can fix it directly. And the Titan Performance is one of the best fabrication players in UAE. It's gonna be fit from the front to the middle to the cover to until the engine gearbox. And whenever you want to oil change, they fix it in this kind of finishing. You can see you can remove the 4 ball nut and take it out easily, and you can see how it is in the behind, the well clean finish. Okay, let's go see how gonna be installed. It's applying grease not to make a noise in the future. Even here.
Button. Homing button. Nggak nyampe ya? Nah. Oh, nggak ada.
Ball nuts.
Không tay.
Để ra kita dulu ini.
Punya terus pada lah.
Yes, perfectly fitted the skid plate. You can see we changed the ball nut. We put the Allen key over here. You can see this is the 2 front ball nuts, and it will be other one. It will be in the middle, 2 side here, and the rest of this 2 is this here. The sides over here. Well covered the cut bush one as well because of the side panel. Clean fitted. Skid plate is done.